Well, this has been a really interesting project. Firstly, because it's the first one I can really show to the public. So, I mean, that's really exciting. Secondly, we're doing three things with this car. We're showing a little bit of what's happening within our XC range, that we are, within a couple of years, producing a new XC, downsized a little bit from the XC90, and this gives an insight, obviously, to that from the proportions and the stance and the character. Then we're also showing a little bit of what's happening with the DNA on the future, the design language, where that's going and how that will relate to not only the XC60, but also future products. And thirdly, we're showing a lot of design innovation, so new ideas which have been floating around in the studio, ideas I've had, and said, okay, now it's time to show the world, what we can be and how innovative within design we can be at Volvo. We have a very strong heritage with XC vehicles, with the XC70, the XC90, great success. So this is a new possible market for us to go into, and I think you'll find with this product, we're going to make a tremendous impact. And obviously the first thing you notice here is the grille, the iron mark. This has now been completely reworked to give a lot more presence, a lot more premium appearance, a quality detailing, obviously increased in size, and a lot of attention to detail. But this is obviously now in a optimized shape as far as the grille is concerned. So we've added this trapezoid shape to the grille, which is obviously a very strong element that we have within our heritage, the trapezoid shape. Now what you can see here with the new tailgate is that the bottom part actually moves out and then moves up. The whole idea behind this is to add more flexibility to the loading of the trunk. So it works in two functions. As you can see, these arms connect the lower to the top part, and then it opens conventional. Now the advantage is you can park very close to something behind and still access the trunk, or if you only open the bottom part, you can be in a very low garage environment and still put heavy items or big items in. I mean, this is the jewel of the interior, and obviously, we talk about the center stackers, the floating center stackers, about the icon of our design. Now we have another very interesting feature on the center stackers as well, is this new innovative shifter. Instead of a normal shifter, what we did is incorporate this mouse-like shifter which floats around the center stack. So it's a matter of pressing the button and then you can slide it backwards and forwards into the right gear. Of course, I'm extremely proud. I mean, it's a great car. Quality is terrific, and obviously done by a team of dedicated people in the shortest time. What's so exciting is it allows me and the brand to actually show the public and the press where we're going in the future, what we're doing with the DNA, that Volvo in the future will be a lot more expressive. Scandinavian design is actually taking the next step. We're adding a lot more excitement, emotion. It's becoming more dynamic, sporty. It's adding sex appeal, but at the same time we're keeping the simplicity, but adding the excitement that has maybe been missing from Scandinavian design. So a great future ahead for the brand.